channel. This is an intro video. So I'm Janelle and you can call me Jean.
And I am Vanessa and you can call me Ven.
Alright, so 3 facts about ourselves. I am currently in grade 11, currently sitting 6C. I don't know why I'm not studying right now, but with God's will, I'll pass. I've been studying, so yeah.
And I am 24 years old. I am currently in university and I am a lover of food, and this is my food dance.
Alright, so as you heard her, as you heard her, food lover, the content of her videos will be solely relating to food tutorials, mukbang, you name it. So
Daily
stay
vlogs,
tuned.
anything that has to do with food.
Yes.
We'll be doing it.
So for one, we are doing this channel because we realize that we can get closer as sisters, in that we'll be videoing most of the time and editing and all those stuff. So yes, that's a great way. And secondly, we want to turn something that we love into a career, in that we can help people positively. So we would like to help others believe that they can cook by following our simple steps and procedures. So we will make it as
easy
simple
as
we
1,
can
2, 3
for you all. Yes.
And just in case we don't put something in, or we add an extra ingredient or so, please don't bash us. That's just our take on our
own creativity
of cooking the food.
Yes.
So you can always comment how you guys always prepare it, or what ingredients we could add to it, or so you can always comment.
And also comment on our videos the type of cooking tutorials that you want us to cook for you, and we will do it as best as we can. See? So give this video a like if you look like sisters.
Yeah. We're going to thank you guys for tuning in to the Seabourne's kitchen, and you guys are the Seabourne family. And we'd like you to like, comment, share, subscribe, press the bell notification down below, and comment when done, and we'll give you a shout out in the next video. Also, our Instagram will be down below.
Mine is right here. Hers is over
yes,
there.
right here. And we would like you to just hit us up on Instagram and just full up a DM. Yes, just full up a DM
with cooking things, of course.
About what you guys want to see. And we just want to thank you for tuning in. Thank you.
Bye.